Hey guys, welcome. So do you have a check that you want to deposit into your PayPal account without hitting up a bank? Whether it's paycheck, a birthday gift, or a refund, PayPal's Cash a Check feature makes it super easy to get that money into your digital wallets. So guys, as you can see, Cash a Check, this is going to be our button inside of the either application or the web version of the PayPal. So let us continue, guys. First, make sure you've got the PayPal app installed. Grab it free from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in into your personal PayPal account. You'll need a PayPal balance, of course, account to use a Cash a Check feature per PayPal's site. Business accounts with a PayPal Business Debit MasterCard might work too, but double check it. If you don't have a balance account, the app prompts you to set one up when you start. It takes a minute. Also, verify your identity with your SSN or ID if asked, as PayPal needs it for check deposits. I had to do this once and it worked quick. Oh, and this feature is not available in New York or if your balance is negative, says PayPal. Right, now grab your check. Personal, business, or government checks work, but not traveler's checks or money orders, says PayPal. It must be made out to you, not cash or a third party. Since the back in the endorsement area, sign the back in the endorsement area and write for mobile deposit only below your signature to prevent fraud, says WebZetto. For extra security, add your PayPal email or user ID below that. Place the check on a dark, flat surface in good lighting. I use a black table and keep it clean, no tears or smudges, or PayPal might reject it. Double check the amount and dates to ensure it's not expired. After that, open the PayPal app and tap Accounts. At the bottom, then go to Balance. So as I shown you before, this screenshot, as you can see, you do it exactly in this menu. You need to scroll to Cash a Check, which is right over here. You might need to swipe right in the Wallet menu, says Reddit's PayPal subreddit. Enter the exact check amount down to the cents and hit Enter. The app opens your camera, snap clear photos of the front and back of the signed check. Center it in the frame. If it's blurry, clean your lens or move to the brighter light, says Go Banking Rates. After that, choose your deposit speed, pay a fee for instant access, or wait 10 days for free, as long as the check clears. And after that, hit Confirm. So, let us continue. PayPal reviews this one is in seconds, but it can take up to an hour. So guys, that's how you deposit a check in PayPal. Set up your account, prep and endorse the check, snap photos in the app, and void it after approval. Your money is ready for spending, sending, or transferring. Guys, deposited a check yet? Drop your experience below. Like and subscribe, hit that bell for more money hacks, and I will catch you next time.